Hello everybody, welcome to the first video tutorial on how to use Extreme. In this tutorial we're going to install Extreme on a Windows 10 machine, and we'll just go through the basic install and configuration. So here I've downloaded the 64-bit version of Extreme. There is a 32-bit version. Just pick the version that suits your environment. You typically download it as a zip file, and you can extract the zip file and get the executable, or you can just run the executable straight from the zip file, which is what I'm going to do. Yeah, the first thing that happens is you're prompted for authentication, user account control to install it. Yep, go ahead. And then you're asked where you want to install Extreme to. Yep, the default location is fine, so we'll just go with that. And do I want to create a shortcut on the desktop? Yep, I do. Great. So that's a basic install. Now if I run it as is, yep, you notice that you get all this black area over here, and yeah, it doesn't fit the window very nicely. So we're gonna fix that. So just press Q to quit, and we'll just right click on the shortcut, and we're just going to change some of the properties. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change from maximized to normal window, and then we're going to turn off quick edit mode, and then next we're going to change the font. Now you can leave it as Consolos and change the size if you like, but I prefer the old raster fonts, and I typically just use the largest one, 10 by 18. If you prefer a different font, that is fine, but I will go with raster for this one. And for the layout, we're just going to change the screen buffer size. Now 9000 is just way too large, so we're going to drop that down to something sensible, 30, and we'll leave the width at 120. You can set the width and height to however wide you want that fits nicely on your screen, but we'll just start with that just to get it going. So now if we run it again, you can see it's now fits the screen. Actually, I don't like it that wide, so we'll just change that again, and this time we'll just drop it down to 80. So see how that looks. So that's more like it. The other thing I like to do is pin this to the taskbar so I can have it so it's easy, quick access to it. So again, we'll just Q to quit, and now I can run it from here. Great. And the other thing I like to do is just change the start location. So we'll just put it somewhere else. You can get it to start anywhere, you know. So maybe you've got a folder where you do a lot of your work in, but to keep it simple, I'll just put it at the top. Another thing you might like to do is assign a shortcut key. That you can do that as well if you just want to use your keyboard just to get straight into it, but we'll just set it up like that. And now that's all installed and configured on Windows 10. All right.